it's double or nothing. You ain't getting money, the nigga you bugging. Damn ass fat, you know I'ma hug it. Lows by the truck, fuck up the budget. Cashing it in, damn I'm a bucket. OD, you know I overdoes it. If it ain't moolah, we cannot discuss it. Her name ain't Erica, she finna bust it. Her name ain't Megan, but yeah, she a stallion. The way that we dressin' ran out of Italian. New chain bustin', beat the medallion. Pour your own troubles out by the gallon. Her name ain't Lotto, but she from the south. Her name ain't Ruby, she got a big mouth. Putting it in, she sticking it out. Putting it in, she sticking it out. She like salsa, one in a hole, just like a golfer. If you ain't leeching, what can you offer? Niggas ain't got it, they just be talkers. Niggas ain't got it, they just be talkers. They gon' tell you what you wanna hear. Yeah, put you in a nice pair. Best if you don't listen.
All this shit from me, I'm making her wet. The double line, you know we the set. They know we up next, that's why they upset. The diamonds on me, and you know it's baguettes. Ballin' so hot, man, I need me a rep. If you ain't on time, then you getting left. Can't live in the past, ain't got no regrets. Ain't looking for love, just want me some sex. Like it or love it, still gotta respect it. How you in first, but you coming in second. Ain't watching your next, so you gotta protect it. Running it up and we breaking the records. You gave us your last, you should've just kept it. Eyes on me as soon as I step in. The eye on me, you know what I'm reppin'. It's eyes, so yeah, you know what we dressin'. Our blessings is coming, they know that we destined. Like it or love it, they know how we coming. Just send us the budget. Send us the budget. She wanna suck in my hands on her weed. She tell me don't touch it. What you doing? We bringing them vibes, they know we don't force it. Tell them don't rush us. Don't rush us at all. Hate us or love us, it really don't matter. Ain't holding no grudges.
Like it or love it, it's double or nothing. You ain't getting money, the nigga you bugging. Damn ass fat, you know I'ma hug it. Lows by the truck, fuck up the budget. Cashing it in, damn I'm a bucket. OD, you know I overdoes it. If it ain't moolah, we cannot discuss it. Her name ain't Erica, she finna bust it.
She want me to touch her, I'm making her cream. Like she a Russian, she for the team. She bring her cousins, I'm bringing my brothers. Now it's the scene and we all for being.
Like it or love it, I had to just dub it. Ain't no in between, no in between. She for the streets, feeling so geek. She for the streets, feeling so geek.
Like it or love it, they know how we coming. Just send us the budget. Send us the budget. She wanna suck in my hands on her weed. She tell me don't touch it. What you doing? We bringing them vibes, they know we don't force it. Tell them don't rush us. Don't rush us at all. Hate us or love us, it really don't matter. Ain't holding no grudges, no.
Yeah. Energy, see, you're not ready for the wham. Energy's raw, I've never been glam. Energy sure like bars will land. Like a missile straight to the plan. Energy's more than everything, man. Energy's mad, don't mess with the ram. Certain things in life gotta overstand. That's disappointing, don't do this, man. With your energy, yeah, can't do this, man. Energy's here like a sizzling pan. 4 meetings already is urgent, fam. If the energy's right, we can do this, man. If the energy's right, we can do this, man. Energy, one. So the energy, one. But the energy, one. So the energy. 2 bars, flows too fast. 2 constellation and stars. 2 laughs, 2 hearts. Out of this world, is straight off the Mars. Said 2 bars, flows too fast. 2 constellation and stars. 2 laughs, 2 hearts. Out of this world and straight off the Mars. When the energy's right, I follow the path. Gotta know yourself, there's no one to ask. No one to turn to, take off your mask. Don't worry, there's no test to pass. Just live, stop taking, just learn to give. Stop blaming them and learn to forgive. I'll carry on doing my thing. I'll carry on doing my thing till we turn into a myth. Energy, one. So the energy, one. But the energy, one. So the energy. The energy's right and we can do this, man. The energy's right and we can do this, man. The energy's right and we can do this, man. The energy's right and we can do this.
Shut the water, oh, somebody please pick up your let's be real, let's be straight. Use these dead MCs as bait. Use this fish out the water, oh, somebody please pick up your mate. You don't want it with the mum or the daughter, yeah, it's lyrical slaughter, babe. You can't catch me at this rate, no, you can't catch me at this just fuming. I'll step through, yeah, I'll fumigate. Like when's the event, man, send the day. When it comes to the rave, there's no debate. Got a flight to catch running through the gate. Swoop down and grab like a seagull. Too much energy, it's lethal. I was here for the madness times, like forward nights, like plastic people. Like London nights, so the things aren't legal. Yeah, but you're gonna learn good